is by far the easiest way to make 10K a month, and no, it's not Amazon FBA, YouTube automation or trading. You don't need any special skills, you just need to do exactly what I show you, so listen up. Step number 1, go to Digistore and find a high-ticket digital products you would like to promote on your Instagram account. The key here is high ticket, so you can get high ticket commissions. Forget about $7, $27, $97, $4.97, we want high ticket. Step number 2, find 10 profiles in the same niche as the high ticket products you found, and then go to Viral Finder and start modeling their content. Step number 3, use Snap Insta to download the viral videos you found. Step number 4, use CapCut to recreate the viral videos. You can also use free AI tools like ChatGPT to rewrite the script and Leonardo AI to make some badass videos for free.